Hi, I'm Jill, content manager at LovelySkin, and I'm here with my friend Sarah, our print design coordinator.
Hi, everybody.
And we're here to unbox and try something we love very much here at LovelySkin, sunscreen. Today, we're exploring a new brand, Dune Suncare.
And I don't know about you, but I've seen this brand all over my social media lately. It's a women-owned brand that offers dermatologist-recommended award-winning sunscreen formulas for the face, body, and every skin tone. I'm going to start with the Mug Guard SPF 30. This sunscreen is for the face and has a weightless gel cream texture. It is a chemical sunscreen that provides hydration for up to 72 hours.
And I'm going in with the Bod Guard SPF 30, which is also a chemical sunscreen gel, but this one has a little bit more of like a whipped texture, making it perfect for the body.
Up next is the Mineral Melt SPF 30. This is an all-mineral face sunscreen that blends nicely into all skin tones. It also has peptides and antioxidants to improve signs of aging.
And the next product I'm trying isn't a sunscreen, but a post-sun product called the Lifeguard. It contains aloe, antioxidants, and hydrators like coconut and avocado oil to moisturize skin that's seen just a little too much sun.
That is for sure going in my summer vacation bag.
Same. And speaking of summer vacations, Dune also offers a TSA-friendly travel size kit with the Mug Guard, Bod Guard, and the Lifeguard, which will be perfect for your beach bag.
Awesome. And if you prefer a spray sunscreen, which is what I like to use on my kids for their soccer and football games, and when I go hiking, they have a Sporto spray. It's a chemical sunscreen in a non-aerosol formula that's sweat and water resistant.
So Sarah, which one is your favorite?
I'm going to go with the Mineral Melt. I love the lightweight formula. I use it right now, and it pairs well with my makeup. How about you, Jill?
I'm gonna go with the Bod Guard. This smells amazing, and it really does leave a glow on your skin. Plus, my whole family can use it.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us for this LovelySkin unboxing.
For more tutorials and product demonstrations, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bye.
Bye.